I've just never been able to bring myself to the point where I was willing to fork out my hard-earned cash for a Lightroom preset. Like, it's just not a tangible object. Why would I spend my money on it, especially when I could probably create the same edit to my own photos if I spent enough time figuring out how to edit them. Regardless, Lightroom presets are still really handy, and now I actually use them on 99% of all of my photos, but they're my own Lightroom presets that I've created myself. So I've decided, because I am not willing to fork out cash for a Lightroom preset, I'm gonna offer you my Lightroom presets for free. This is not just a one-time offer, it's gonna be free today, tomorrow, and forever. I've gone and created a special website where I'm giving these away for free. There'll be a link in the description of this video, or if you go to the About page on my YouTube channel, you'll see it says Instagram and my store. So if you hit my store, it'll take you over to here. Just click on this button, then you'll see the different presets. I'll probably upload more of them in the future, but for now, there's 2 Lightroom presets there. Just hit the download button. This page will come up and you'll see this download button in the top here. Click on that. Now the Lightroom preset that you download looks like a photo, but if you open that photo in Lightroom, you will see that the colors and everything have changed. All of the sliders have magically moved to the same spot that I had moved them to edit this photo. Then you can go to presets, create new preset, and just save this image as a preset. Just call it Luke's preset 1 or something like that. And then you can go to one of your own photos, go to presets, and you'll see you can apply those same effects to one of your own photos. Now, presets just get you in the ballpark of things. You're still going to probably have to adjust the brightness, especially because if your photo was taken at a different exposure than the one that I applied the presets to, any adjustments that I did to exposure, say I turned the exposure up 30%, if you apply 30% exposure to your photo and your photo was already maybe slightly overexposed, then that's gonna overexpose it even more. So usually I find that with a Lightroom preset, it's gonna get you in the ballpark, and then you're gonna wanna go in and at least adjust the brightness, maybe a few other things as well. Now there's lots of people out there offering their presets for you to go and buy, and I think that's fine that people want to sell their presets. They're trying to make money just like I am, and they found a way to do that with Lightroom presets. But like I said, because I couldn't ever buy a preset, I didn't feel like offering you mine to buy, because I don't know, I've still put in a lot of work and effort into creating these presets, and I put a lot of work into creating this website where you can go and download them. So if you do want to say thank you for the work that I've put into creating these and giving them to you, then please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel will really help me out. Anyway, I hope these Lightroom presets are helpful to you. I hope my channel is helpful to you guys. If you like this video, if you like the fact that I'm giving away free Lightroom presets, then share this video with another one of your photographer friends. I'll see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget to go watch some of my other videos right here. That helps me out too. All right, peace out.